Yes, and start. The accused appellant Vijay Malhotra was put to trial by the additional district and sessions judge fast track court number 6 Ghaziabad in ST number 535 of 2007 for committing offences under sections 363 and 364 A IPC. Stop. The appellant was heard on sentence on 8/2/2010 and was convicted by the sessions judge for a rigorous imprisonment for a period of 5 years along with rupees 10,000 as a fine under section 363 IPC. Stop. In case of default, he had to undergo simple imprisonment for a period of 10 months. Stop. The appellant was also convicted under section 364 A IPC for life imprisonment along with rupees 20,000 as a fine. Stop. In case of default, the appellant had to undergo 20 months simple imprisonment. Stop. All the sentences were to run concurrently. Stop. Pehra. A typed report Exhibit 1 dated 9/1/2007 was lodged by one Jamil Ahmad informant PW2 with the allegation that his two sons, namely Khalil Ahmad aged about 16 years and Wakil Ahmad aged about 9 years, were enticed away by the appellant Vijay Malhotra under the pretext that he would take them to Chandigarh for outing and further asked them to bring money from their house. Stop. The kids were lured by Vijay Malhotra and they took rupees 33,000 kept in the money box at the shop of the informant. Stop. The appellant Vijay Malhotra ran away with two kids, namely Khalil Ahmad and Wakil Ahmad, on 30/12/2007 without giving any information to anybody, including the informant. Stop. It was further mentioned in the report that on 4/1/2007 between 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. a phone call was received on mobile of one Abid. Stop. Abid told the informant about the phone call of Vijay Malhotra and the informant called back on the STD from the mobile of Abid. Stop. Vijay Malhotra received the call and demanded ransom of rupees 1 lakh and further threatened him to pay the amount within 3 to 4 days at Rampur station. Stop. He also threatened that if any report was lodged or information was given to the police, he would kill both the kids. Stop. The informant was busy in arranging the ransom money. Stop. In the meantime, on 8/1/2007 at about 6 p.m., one Dori Lal Kashyap came to the house of the informant and told him that the kids were at village Kira. Stop. He also told that in Kira, Vijay Malhotra was known as Nagaraj alias Naga alias Karan, son of Gandalal Kori. Stop. As soon as the informant got information, he went to the village Kori along with A.S. Khan, son of M.A. Khan, and Shafiq, son of Abdul Aziz PW4, and found the information to be correct that his kids were detained by Vijay Malhotra alias Nagaraj alias Naga alias Karan, son of Gandalal Kori, in his house. Stop.